Hey guys, this is Aussie VHS and DVDs here, and today I'm going to do my VHS update, and this is Brum Helicopter Rescue and Other Stories 1995 VHS, and this update was requested by Samuel Best, and I even know he has this tape, and since he requested me a gift to buy this off eBay, yes, and Samuel Best, if you're watching this video, thanks for doing the gift for me. I was lucky to get this tape off eBay of Brum Helicopter Rescue. So, here's the front, the spine, profile picture of Brum, and the ragdoll logo. And the back. The episodes are Helicopter Rescue, Dancing in the Street, Skating, and the Big Crane. There's the profile picture from Helicopter Rescue, and the profile picture, I think it's from the Big Crane. There's ABC Video logo, Ragdoll, Hit Entertainment, Roadshow Entertainment logo, and Rated G logo. And it doesn't have the running time on it. I thought it might have. Oh, it does too. I couldn't see. Runs for 40 minutes. I thought it didn't have it on it, but it's such small typewriting. And here's the tape. And inside it just shows some 3 Brum videos available to buy. Brum to the Rescue, Brum at the Seaside, and Brum and the Robbers. I've got those. And let's check the film strip. Tape's in good condition. So that's it. Thanks for watching.